Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix media keep stopping error in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.